Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given right from the start xy is to z equals to 5.5, 4.62 and 33. Our first job is to simplify this into the simplest form. So for part A, right, to rewrite x is to y is to z as 5.5, 4.62 is to 33, and I am going to times 100 to all so that I do not have any more decimal. And from here, let me check. Oh, all can divide by 2, and wait a minute, I see 55 and 33. And also there's possibly 11. That could be a factor. And I am right. 462 can divide by 11, so 2 and 11. Yep, I'm going to divide by 22. To all, so that I will get the following. 25 is to 21 is to 150, and at this point, right, I realize this would be the simplest form, because for 25 the only factors are 5 and 21 cannot divide by 5. Moving on to part B. Okay, so I'm going to just draw a line to create a space at the other side, meter this way, okay? So for part B, now that we have x is to y is to z in its simplest form. So y is to x is simply 21 is to 25, and this happens to be the simplest form. Okay, for part C, where we are required to find the ratio for x is to z, x is 25, z is 150. Aha, both can be divided by 25 actually, and therefore I will get 1 is to 6, and that will be the simplest form for this question. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and let's move on to the next question.